Dawn awakens the bees before the harvest begins. Experience guides each careful step.
Smoke calms the hive without harm.
Calm is essential before harvest begins.
Inside lies months of patient labor.
The colony reveals its living structure.
Precision prevents stress on the hive.
This frame holds liquid gold. Respect keeps the colony strong.
Readiness is judged by sight and scent. Only surplus honey is taken.
Balance inside the hive is restored.
The colony continues undisturbed.
Harvested honey is secured for travel. The journey from field to facility begins. Inspection begins immediately. Harvest ends, and the cycle continues. Careful transport protects the harvest. Stability preserves quality in motion. Experience guides every mile.
Honey's next stage awaits.
Arrival marks a controlled environment.
Clean handling begins here. Every movement follows protocol.
Transit gives way to handling.
Every surface is designed for hygiene.
Traceability is never skipped.
Gentle handling preserves purity.
Inside, tradition meets modern systems.
Clear zones protect quality.
Human oversight remains essential.
Clean entry protects the process. Contamination has no entry.
Processing begins in a controlled space. Systems stand ready for flow.
Parameters are set before motion.
Alignment ensures smooth transfer.
Flow replaces stillness.
The honey is ready to be released.
The seal is broken with precision. Nothing is wasted in this process. Honey is freed for extraction. Clean separation preserves purity.
Human eyes still matter.
Centrifugal force does the work. Automation meets tradition. Gravity and motion release the harvest. Liquid gold finds its path. First filtration removes impurities. Byproducts are carefully managed. Flow is monitored at every stage.
Air and foam are allowed to rise.
Cleanliness refines quality. Time completes the cleaning. Uniformity is refined further. Consistency defines quality. Verification never stops.
The batch is now unified.
The process moves toward precision. Continuity is uninterrupted. Technology now takes the lead. The next phase begins. Transformation begins with controlled release. Structure is gently adjusted, not forced. Heat is applied with restraint. Even warmth protects enzymes. Crystals relax back into solution. Motion remains minimal and deliberate. Precision protects natural quality.
Texture tells the story.
Transformation reaches equilibrium. Automation balances the stream. Precision replaces guesswork.
Numbers confirm consistency.
Flow is temporarily stored, not stopped. Machines listen and respond. Trapped air is removed. Smoothness is refined. Stability ensures quality. Calm flow improves filling accuracy.
Cleanliness is always prepared.
Code governs consistency. The system runs within limits. Direction changes without disruption. The final refinement awaits. Precision begins with stability. Accuracy is set before speed. Containers arrive spotless and ready. Control prevents air entrapment.
Each gram is measured.
Clean stops preserve consistency. Precision is confirmed in real time.
Accuracy avoids waste.
Clean seals protect freshness. Closure is perfectly timed. Seals lock in quality.
Secure closure is verified.
Presentation matters.
Identity is applied next.
Information meets design. Scale meets precision inside the factory. Traceability is sealed. Every batch is verified.
Precision replaces volume.
Integrity is examined closely.
Transparency tells its own story.
Moisture defines shelf life.
Numbers confirm stability.
Texture is measured, not guessed.
Aroma reveals origin.
Microscopic checks follow.
Data secures trust.
Approval clears the line.
Samples rejoin the flow.
Quality confirmed. Production continues.
Every jar meets the same standard.
The journey nears completion. The final stage begins.
Sealed for the journey ahead.
Information travels with every box.
Accuracy extends to the case.
Automation completes the load. Loads are built to travel. Finished goods await dispatch.
Movement begins once more.
The final handoff approaches.
The product leaves the factory floor. The journey continues beyond the gate.
And this is how modern factories produce honey from start to finish.
From hive to home, the cycle continues.
Subscribe.